repr is a built-in function that returns an object's canonical string representation. This is the string hello world. Calling repr on it gives us this. We can now use this with eval. This is class fruit. It defines an init and an repr in which it adds a before the species noun. Kiwi is a fruit. If we call repr on kiwi, we get a kiwi. The name is Ayushi. repr on it gives us Ayushi in quotes. str gives it to us without quotes. Let's import the datetime module. T is the current time. str of t gives us this. We cannot reconstruct the datetime object from this using eval. But repr of t gives us this, and eval does let us reconstruct the object from this. Now let's find out what happens when. This is a class with two methods, repr and str. obj is an object of this class. Obj calls the repr method, and so does the repr function. Print of obj calls up str. The str function calls up str, and an f string calls up str to render the representation.